Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a merchant, a local shop on the Monero map.org. So this is just an overlay of the OpenStreetMap.org map. Okay, this OpenStreetMap is open source, is free, and everyone can add or delete data on it. So this Monero map is just scrapping the data about Monero and displaying it. So first we need to go to openstreetmap.org. Then we are going to search for a shop that is accepting Monero. So for example, Paralelny Police in Praha. I just get the exact address because I download this. Then I type it. Okay, boom. There is some points here. So to distinguish them, we right click, interrupt, ask for object. Then we have the Bitcoin Coffee, etc. So this one is the one we're searching for. So before to modify it, we need to connect. So on the right top corner, you just have to create an account, connect, and you're ready to go. First, Bitcoin Coffee, the node, the element Bitcoin Coffee, then modify. We go in the attributes. Some people already filled some, and there is the email, phone number, opening hours, and also you can see here currency XBT is like BTC. It's the same. It's the most common accepted ticker. So XBT BTC Bitcoin is yes, and XMR is yes. So just to show you how to add it, you go to plus, add an attribute, currency.xmr, and then yes. You can check it. Here there is a tutorial, so you can just click XBT yes, payment cryptocurrencies yes, onchain yes, and also if it accepts Monero currency XMR yes. Don't forget to add the survey date, year, month, days. Then that's right, we just have to click on save in the top right corner, and then it just updates and the merchant will appear in a few minutes on the map. That's it. Thanks for watching.